How to fix PCASVC.dll, PcaWallpaperAppDetect, error. The Program Compatibility Assistance Service, PCASVC, may not be running properly, leading to the error. Restarting the service can refresh its functionality. Corrupted system files could be causing the error. Running the SFC and DISM tools helps identify and repair these files. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Malware infections can corrupt essential system files, leading to errors. You can use Microsoft Safety Scanner or employ DeepScan with Microsoft Defender. Your computer will immediately restart to begin a deep scan.